What's up everybody? My name's Richard from Zappos.com. Today we're looking at the EX Terraplane. It's from Mystery Ranch. Starting with the top of the bag, we're gonna have this top flap that actually comes unbuckled here, folds back, and that's how you can access the main compartment here from the top. You see you have that drawstring closure right there on top to keep all your stuff in place. The exterior of the bag is made out of this really sturdy 500D Cordura to give you long-lasting use with a daisy chain running down the front so you can clip on additional gear. And then you get to the sleeping bag compartment down here, which is really awesome. You can see it unclips and has this cool kind of wing design to it with these straps on the outside to keep everything locked down tight. It opens up really wide, gives you plenty of access to that compartment so you can stuff your sleeping bag in there. You also have a compression strap in the middle to lock it down tight. Here on the front of the bag, we're gonna have these two torpedo pockets for any accessories that you want to store at the ready without going into your main compartment. And then on the side, we're gonna have these two compression straps, which come unclipped like so. And then you're gonna have this zipper running down the side as well, which is really cool because that'll give you access to the main compartment right here from the side of the bag. Here around the back, we're gonna have this adjustable back panel that actually slides up and down here so you can always get just the right fit for you. It's got lots of padding on these shoulder straps here with mesh on the inside, just like the back of the bag to keep your shoulders and back, everything breathing for your outdoor adventures. You're gonna have this adjustable sternum strap too that slides up and down. And here on the bottom, we're gonna have this hip belt with a nice sturdy buckle there to keep it locked into place. You also have your water bottle pouches right there so you can always stay hydrated. Another really cool feature is that the top flap here is removable so you can take it off and carry it around on those day hikes. You're gonna have zippers on both sides, a good amount of storage space in each for carrying around your gear. And then you're gonna have your buckle right there so you can carry it around on your waist or on your shoulder. Now you can pack up all your gear for your next outdoor excursion thanks to this awesome pack here. It's from Mystery Ranch.